Assalamu alaikum everyone. Alright, so let's get straight to the point. The time for break is really close and we're about to make one of the biggest break for Luna Classic one more time, because it seems like things are breaking their downtrend. Altcoins are breaking the downtrend. Bitcoin has broken the downtrend. Pepe broke, Bonk broke, some few other coins are still left to do so. One of them is this coin right here, Luna Classic. But when is it gonna break? I think you don't have to wait too much, because since this price level at 12,500, it has been a downtrend for quite some time, and you can see that it has been down. You have the channel that actually went to the downside as well. So at this point of time, you are making a squeeze, right? So you have resistance down, and now you have the resistance, okay? And it seems like this lower support is coming on with the conjunction of the upper resistance. So you have this lower support. So we have the junction, and the junction ends until maximum 3rd of July. So today is 2nd of July. So until tomorrow, within 24 hours, 48 hours, well, I'm giving this thing 5 more days maximum, right? 5 more days. And we might probably see, and we should actually see a break to the upside, and a break here, retest, and then go back up. So look at Bitcoin as well, because if I show you Bitcoin, of course altcoins are going to be following Bitcoin. And if you look at Bitcoin right now and what it has done, is the biggest hint that we are going to be breaking above with Luna Classic, right? So this is Luna Classic, right? Consider Luna Classic like this, and this is what we want to see: break above, right? Break above. So Bitcoin can actually fall to 60,000 one more time, and then go back and shoot to probably 72k, and Luna Classic also goes back up. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.